Hey riders! If you think your Yamaha R3 is already awesome, wait till you see these mods that will blow your mind and your neighbors too. Stick around, because some of these upgrades are so wild, they'll make your bike the envy of every street. The Yamaha R3 is a fantastic beginner-friendly sport bike, but with the right mods, it can go from nice to holy wow. Today, I'm breaking down the best mods that'll boost performance, style, and overall fun. Let's get into it. Mod number 1, Performance Exhaust System. First up, ditch that stock exhaust and slap on a performance system. Not only does it make your R3 sound like a beast waking up from a nap, but it also frees up horsepower and shaves off some weight. Plus, you'll finally get that aggressive growl that says, "I'm here to ride, not to nap." Warning, may cause spontaneous smiles and jealous glances. Mod number 2, Power Commander or ECU Tune. Next, to really unlock the potential of your new exhaust, you gotta tune your fuel injection with a Power Commander or an ECU flash. This means smoother throttle response, better fuel efficiency, and yep, more power. It's like giving your bike a double espresso shot. Mod number 3, Upgraded suspension handling is king, and upgrading your suspension will turn your R3 into a corner-carving ninja. Whether it's a set of adjustable shocks or fork springs, better suspension means more confidence and less "oh no" moments on twisty roads. Because crashing is only cool in movies, not on your weekend ride. Mod number 4, Aftermarket tires. Don't underestimate the power of good tires. Switching to high-performance rubber can drastically improve grip and stability. It's like giving your bike new shoes that actually stick to the road instead of slipping around like a beginner on ice. Mod number 5, Aesthetic upgrades, LED lights, tail tidy, custom paint. Now, let's talk looks. LED headlights and turn signals not only modernize your bike but also make you way more visible. Add a tail tidy to clean up that bulky rear end, and maybe a custom paint job or decals to make your R3 scream personality. Because your bike deserves to look as cool as you do. Mod number 6, Comfort mods, seat, grips, windshield. Long rides? No problem. Upgrade your seat for extra comfort, swap out the grips for better control, and add a windshield to cut the wind blast. Your back and hands will thank you after a few hours on the road. Bonus mod, Quick Shifter for the speed demons. A quick shifter lets you change gears without using the clutch, faster shifts, smoother rides, and more time enjoying the road instead of fiddling with controls. So there you have it, the best mods for your Yamaha R3 that will totally shock you and transform your ride. Which mod are you adding first? Drop a comment below. And if you want more killer bike tips and mod guides, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Ride safe, ride smart, and keep turning heads.